Hey, good morning, family. Good morning, family. Guys, I've got good news for you today. Hey, guys, I'm very sorry. Yesterday it was a Sunday. I was at church. My pastor couldn't give me a chance to go out. They know that when I'm at church, I will be busy with these numbers. So yesterday he said, no, today I'm in church until, so I couldn't make tea time. But definitely lunchtime we made it. Let me show you first what we did on lunch. Our code was 21. Was it 2120? Our code was 2120. I wonder, because this code gave us three numbers, 1, 2, 3 numbers, odd and odd. And if you count these numbers, 2 plus 1 plus 2, it gave us a 5. This code gave us 5 numbers straight. Just imagine a code with just giving you numbers like that. It is very important, guys, that you must learn these codes and understand how I'm creating these codes, so that tea time is a little bit complicated because now the bonuses will be 3. But now with lunchtime, it is very, very easy for us to eat it while still hot. So as you can see, those who have watched my video previously, they can tell you they saw exactly what I'm talking about. And then now what I'm going to do, guys, we're doing UK Fortnite lunchtime. And please let me remind you again, this is the number for those who want to join the group or those who want to buy the book. 126. So 126 0741. It's only for WhatsApp, not calls. So if you want the book, I've got 3 types of books. The first one, second one, third one. So you choose. You want them all, or you want the second one, or you want the third one, because the choice is yours. Okay, cool. So let's stick to business. The code for today is 1873, like this. And then the other one is 4023. You know what I like about these codes? Sometimes you can play them as it is, then it gives you 2 bankers. So if you see, the first code is 1873. It means we have to spin it and say 1837. Then from there, you can spot that there's a 13, there's an 18, there's an 8, there's a 17, there is a 7 from the first code. And then you start adding your codes to get the other number. For example, you'll say 18 plus 7, that's a 25. 18 minus 7 is an 11. 3 plus 18, that's 21. 3 minus 18 is a 15. You see, that's how you spread the code, just to be sure. Because, if sometimes you can miss numbers while you're watching them. So another thing, in a code like this, guys, you must always make sure that you split and spin your numbers, because this 73, it's above the comma or it's above the numbers. So let's go to the second code. I'll show you another thing when you're done, how you also spot extra numbers. 4023. This one is just a 4023, which there is a 42 or 24. I can say there's a 43 or 34. So you do it like this, 42, because this one you can split. And then you can't add, because now if you say 40 plus 23, it's going to be 63, which is 36. That you can also do, but I prefer you to subtract it. When you subtract this code, it is going to give you a 20. So meaning that one of the numbers 20 or either 2 must repeat on lunchtime. Are we together, class? And then now on that code, as it is like 40 23, it means there's a 40, there's a 20, there's a 30. And that code, that is a series. So meaning that the 40 must drop, maybe as a bank. Remember another thing, if a number doesn't drop on lunch, I always say this, it will definitely come on tea time. Then let us draw our code now. As we're going to draw our code, we're going to say 18 7 3 40 23. So let's see. If we draw, the first one is 41, which is 14. Second one is an 8. third one is a 27, which is the third one is 33. That other day they did it like this, like 41, 8, 27, 33 bonus. It's a 3 number plus bonus. So it is possible for you to get that kind of a number in UK49. There's nothing difficult about UK. The only thing is know how to break the code, know how to create the code. Then you won't have a problem. You understand? Because the other strategies that UK49 uses, they change, but this one of the codes, it doesn't change. That is why I like this kind of code, because it doesn't change. Whatever they can do, it's always what it is. So what I can do, maybe let me just break this code and give you some singles, guys. But the recommendation is you guys must come and purchase the book, support the team. Understand? Because I think what I can do, I can maybe write like this: 18, 17, 37, then 8, 7, and 3. They split numbers, so I have to also split 40, 24, 42, and 43, which is 34. Then there's a 2 there. So play around these numbers. There are some numbers that I didn't add, but you as a punter, you have to get more numbers. Pick up a banker there. Can be 8, can be 18. Then you pay. Guys, don't be scared to pay 5 numbers. Even if it hits you, but it means you're getting there. Because you know, with gambling is like pain. You have to understand that you cannot boom every day, but as long as you have the skill, it means that anytime you can boom a high stake. Understand? So guys, because I've seen the other day I posted Cash for Life video, you guys are not watching it. So I think it's pointless for me to post Cash for Life. Rather way, you guys must tell me which draw you want on this comment of this video, so that the next video that I'll post should be specific for that draw, either 749 or what do we have today's Monday? Yeah, I think I'm going to post Cash for Life. I'm going to post Cash for Life. It pays, just that you guys don't know how much Cash for Life pays. It pays. It is a game called Cash for Life. If you look for it, maybe on other apps or at the bed, you just tell them that you want to play Cash for Life. They'll advise you to play because it pays. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. I'm so happy. Yesterday we managed to get these numbers correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or the 40 dropped, ne? So there's a high possibility of a 4 to drop there, or on the 20, the 2 to drop. Because 2 is the one that is left on the series of what? Of 2. Like 22 has dropped. But UK49 these days does not mind about that. Don't stick to that. Stick to my codes. You won't go wrong. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.